I'm parked on the street and there's a marathon. Oh no!
Susanna, Lynn, Stephanie, Helene, Kendall, Eddie.
I have no intention of running today, but I guess I'm going to be running the marathon. It's a marathon. Let's go. Santa Monica City living, so I have to park like a mile away. This guy got the boat. Oh my gosh. Which probably means I got the boot. They just put these up. And they gotta give you a little more time. That's just not fair. A lot of bananas. Did you guys run the 5K? You ran the 10K or the end of the 10K? Wow, I saw you. That's amazing. You crossed the finish line. You do the 5K or the 10K?
10K.
All right, congrats. Whoa. How'd you do?
Good. About 27 minutes.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Did you run?
Yeah, I actually did. I ran to my car to see if it was towed because I didn't know there was a marathon today.
Okay.
Yeah,
Did you
yeah.
make it?
I wasn't towed, but I did get the boot.
Oh, wow.
Well, congrats, dude.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thanks.